Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how crochet this mobile bag that you can also use for sunglasses or coins or your cards and anything you like. This bag is made by 4 squares that you can make it by any square you like. I'll teach you how to make all of these 4 squares in my next videos. Also, you can make a long bag straps for it and use it as a shower bag. Let's get started. Make a slip knot on the hook and put two square together side by side and start from this chain in the corner of 2 squares. Bring the yarn out from 2 of chains in the corner and start the crocheting from both sides. Put the hook inside the back loop from 2 squares and bring the yarn out from there. Look, back loop from 2 sides and bring the yarn out from there. In the left side squares, put the hook in the back loop and third loop. Take two together and bring the yarn out. Look again, back loop from the right side, second loop and third loop from left side and make a slip stitch. Do it until the end of the 2 square that you receive the corner. In the corner, make a slip stitch in the 2 chain from 2 sides and make a chain and cut the yarn. Bring the yarn out and then fasten off tail of the yarn. And do the same for the other 2 squares. Place 2 squares back to back and make reverse single crochet around 3 sides of the 2 rectangles that we made by our squares. From the chain spaces, bring the yarn out and look, and now we are crocheting in a reverse. Take 2 sides together and bring the yarn out from there and pull through 2 loops we have on the hook. Again, take 2 sides together and make a single crochet. Bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops. Again, look, this is our 2 loops in the 2 sides of squares. We put our hook into them and bring the yarn out from there and pull through 2 loops. This is how we make reverse single crochet. Do it until you reach in middle of the 2 squares. In there, we must make 2 single crochet together and pull through 3 loops we have on the hook, and then we continue the reverse single crochet until the end. Do it until the corner. In the corner, put the hook inside the chain space from both and make 1 reverse single crochet and do it until the here, until the end of the third side. After that, we must work on one side in the top of the squares, actually rectangle now, and make reverse single crochet until the end of this side and move to the other side. In this side, we must make a loop for the bottom. Make reverse single crochet until the middle of the row, and then make 10 chain and again make one reverse single crochet in that space, and again make one reverse single crochet until the end of the row. And the last stitch and join with the slip stitch. And now make 50 chain for bag strap. Also you can make a long bag strap, make more chain for the bag strap and use it as a shower bag. After that you make chain, make one double crochet in each chain you made. Look, we want to work on third loop. Look, this is a third loop and we make one double crochet in that. This technique is useful and so suitable for the age of the things and crafts you made. Do it until the end that you reach in the first and join with the slip stitch to the first and make a chain and cut the yarn and fasten off. You can use the needle or you can do it by the hook if you want. Put the back strap there and sewing it. Sew carefully and tightly the back strap. And after that, fasten off the tail of the yarn. And also we must fasten off the tails of the yarns that we had. And after that, we must sew the bottoms. Now we must sew the buttons. You can use any buttons you like, this one or this one. Must sew it here. I use the white button and sew it. Here is our little bag. You can use it for anything you like. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like it, please let me know in comment below. And if you would like to subscribe, that would be helpful. And if you would like to share it with your friends that you know they would like this video, and I'll show you how make all of these 4 squares in my next videos. And hit the notification bell so you never miss a crochet tutorial from me. I'll see you next time. Bye.